Let's continue to solve practice set 1.2. Till now we are seeing question number 1, 2, 3. Now let's see question number 4. It is on page number 7. Question number 4 is write with reasons which of the following sets are finite or infinite. So now we need to classify the given sets as finite and infinite. Let's recall what is meaning of finite set. If the elements of sets are limited or countable, it is finite. And if it is not limited, means unlimited and uncountable, means if it is not finite, it is infinite. So let's see what is the first set given here. The first set is set A. It's a set of all x that less than 10 and x is a natural number. We need to use our number knowledge again and again in this number set lesson. Natural numbers start with 1, the next number is 2 till 3, 4, 5. So all is a natural number, but we want natural number less than 10. So actually set A, if we write with the listing methods, we'll start with 1, 2, 3, 4, dot, dot, dot. The next number is less than 10, that is 9. So this set has in all 9 elements 1 to 9. Whatever may be the number of elements in it, we will write the reason that as elements of set A are countable, we can say that it is a finite set. So our answer will be depending on this criteria, whether it is countable or limited, that it is finite. If it is not countable, not limited, it is infinite. That will be our reason. Sometimes we will be able to write set like this listing form, sometimes we may not be able. But we need to write our answer in this way. Now what is second example question? Set B the set of all y such that y is less than minus 1 and y is an integers. We know that integers has 3 parts. First we can say we start with 0, which is neither positive nor negative. The next numbers which are on the right side of the 0, which means they are plus 1, 2, 3 and here it is infinite. And on the negative side, it's minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, infinite. This is our set of all integers. Out of this all integers which we want in set B, we want all y which is less than minus 1. So less than minus 1 we will go less than, we will not take minus 1, but from this minus 2 onwards we will take all these numbers. Now though it has upper limit of minus 2, it has no limit of the lower limit. Hence the elements of set B are not countable or not limited. Hence it is not a finite set, it is infinite set. So what is our answer? As elements of set B are not limited, comma, set B is an infinite set. So this is a reason to state whether this set is infinite. It is finite or infinite set. So in this way we can write all these answers. Now let's discuss in short whether it is finite or infinite. Now question number 3 set is a set of students of class 9 from your school. From in your school, whatever may be the number of students you can count, they are limited. Hence this is finite. Okay. You will write the reason like this or this, finite and infinite. Let's come question number 4. Set of people from your village, your town. Yes, the number is going to be bigger than your students in your class, but still they are countable and limited. That's why this is also a finite set. Now what is the 5th? Set of apparatus in the laboratory. Your laboratory may contain many apparatus, but if you start counting, they will stop somewhere. So they are limited, countable. Hence this is also a finite set. Now set of whole numbers. We know whole numbers start with W starts with 0 and then 1, 2, 3 and an infinite. It has no upper limit. So this is infinite set. As the elements are not limited. And then come to the last, seventh set of rational numbers. Any two numbers, rational numbers contain infinite rational numbers. So naturally, set of all rational numbers, which actually includes integers, which are themselves infinite, plus all fractions also. So this set is naturally infinite. Again, the reason is going to be same, that the elements of the set of rational numbers are not limited. That's why the set is infinite set. Thank you.